If you guys are watching this video, you are probably experiencing this problem right here, which can lead to check engine lights, flashing check engine light, and overall poor performance on your Toyota. It is very easy to fix this problem. All you need is a new connector, and I picked these up from a place on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description below. But it comes with this, the wiring here, and I don't want to, and you probably don't want to either, is cut the old harness, or cut the harness on the vehicle and splice this wiring into it. So you want to be able to take this connector, take these new connectors out, and then put the old connectors from the harness that are already on the vehicle back into place. And I want to show you guys how to do that. It is very, very simple. This video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. Okay, so I'm going to call this the top, where the clip is, where you push down to get it off the coil pack. This is going to be the bottom where I marked it. So we need to get this keeper out. This white part right here, this white part is a keeper. It stops the little tabs from moving. We got to get that out. It's very easy. Right here on the bottom, that little slot right there, you put a little tiny screwdriver in and you pop it out. So let me show you how to do that. I just have a little watch screwdriver. So you go down here, you just put the screwdriver down in this plastic, you just push it out. Ta-da, came out. Okay, now the little tabs that you need to get out are on the bottom side, and they reside right down, they reside right there. Okay, right there where the laser's at right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what you do is you push those down. When you take them off your vehicle, if they're old and this clip has already been broken off, these might break off as well when you do the repair on the vehicle. So just make note of that. So what you do, and I'll put a picture of it right now. What you do, you slide your little screwdriver down here, the flat part, and you put it underneath the plastic tab, between the plastic tab and the metal. That one's down. You can hear it, a little click. That one's down. We'll do this last one right here. It's really hard to film this. But there's just little tabs right there. Okay, they're all free. And once they're pushed down, you're able to pull the wiring out. Boom, just like that. Done.